So hello people, now just posting another one as promised. Now I did mention that the windshield is adjustable, right? Now I also mentioned, if you have watched my previous vlogs, that once you adjust it, what happens is you move these from this gap to this gap. It is not clear enough because the bike is quite dirty, but any which ways, once you do that, what happens is this clearance that you see right here, this moves a bit ahead. So from this angle, from this angle, this screen goes to this angle. Once you move from this screw to this screw of adjustment, I hope that is visible enough. I'll show it once I remove the screws and all and the windscreen. But once you do that, the problem is the windscreen starts touching headlight bezel. And as you can see, this is the scratch that I was talking about. So I'm not sure whether I like this adjustment or whether I like it up. But one thing is for sure, it did not scratch it on the left side or the right side if you're looking from the back, but yeah, only on the right side or the left side if you're looking from the back. So this area was scratched. Now all I have to got to do is just scrape some of the area here. Now that should not be that hard. I do have a Dremel, so what I'll do is I'll just mark a bit from the permanent marker of how much I have to scrape off. Now the artwork here, please do excuse that, but I think this is pretty much how it is gonna go. So 1 to 2 mm's. Well, while I'm at that, I think I can scrape some of the bit on this side as well, just for safety. So yeah, let's proceed with that. I'll remove the fairing now. Now just normal screwdriver needed, nothing fancy. I know you must be wondering, these are not the right kind of screws that come as stock. Yeah, I lost one, so I'll be getting onto that. But yeah, I'll quickly just remove all four and I'll get back to you. So just a sec. Okay then, so I have loosened up all the screws and here we go. 1, 2, and on this side 3, and here we go 4. Now once you have done that, all that is needed to do is it just comes off like this. So if you want to ride without the windscreen, you can do that as well, but this is what I'm talking about. So if you move these mounts, I mean, okay, this is gonna stay here, but if you want to adjust it, all you have to do is move this mount from here to here. Let me show how it is done. Scrape slightly, just pull it back, and okay, there is lesser space to work with, but it is doable. I have to adjust the focus bit now, right? Yeah, so yeah, so and all you have to do is just try and manage it to come up on this side. It is easy. I mean, it does not require any special skills or anything. And here we go. So now you can move almost about ½ an inch up. Same goes for this side. So you remove this washer, screw, whatever you call it, and you move it a bit up. And again, no special tools required, just a bit of manhandling, and that is it. That is it, guys. But I'll give you a tip on this one. So here we go. Now this is the tip. So if you are trying to get a good part, now these are the original ones that you get with the Enfield, right? These are the original ones with these kind of screw. The problem with these is, as you can see, this has started to tear off. What I'm using is this. Now I'm not sure whether you can source these or not, but these are from Bajaj. Bajaj uses this in all of their bike fairings. So the number is DL181010, and this is how these look. But once you put them in and you tighten them, these mushroom and these end up looking like this. So I hope that helps. Now it's your option if you can get access to it, because look at, so this is the Enfield one, right? Let me remove this. So this right here is the Enfield one. As you can see, I tried adjusting these and now this is again tearing off. Now this is again the Enfield one, again tearing off. And well, this one is luckily still intact, but yeah, out of 4, 3 of mine have been just conking off. So I decided to go for these ones. This is the part number that you can get from Enfield. I'm not even using the stock Enfield screws. These are the Pulsar screws. The washer are the same from the Enfield ones. I lost one, so I decided, well, let's just move. Now, this is the thing that I wanted to discuss. I've already put in the lower ones at the top on both sides, as you can see, here and here. But now what I'm gonna do is, please don't fall, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is, I'll be using the new mushroom washers, that is what these are called. And I'll be tightening them upside. And I'll see how the windscreening and everything goes. So I'll be putting these back in, and these are gonna stay there for quite a fairly long time. Trust me on that. So there they go. As I said, no special tools required. But yeah, the mushroom ones from the Pulsar, as I discussed, just would go in there like that on this side. And the same, where did that fall? Yeah. Okay. And the same would be going on this side. So I'll put this one back in. Again, just the pressure of your fingers can put this in, and this one will go up like this. Now what happens is, once you start putting the screw in, this starts to mushroom like this, and it takes shape. I hope you can see that. Let me try and focus. So eventually, once you start to put the screw in, it just screws in like this. It mushrooms and it takes this shape and it stays like this. So at that point, you'll have the adjustability. Whenever you want to move it, just unscrew the front two, and then the same. Either this or this can be. And these are not going to lose off. These are not going to fall off. So I hope that helps. Any other questions, please do ask. I'll explain. Putting the first screw in its place. Okay, yeah. Here you go. So that's one. That's gonna be two. I'm missing one. I don't know where that one went. Anyways, so That's gonna be 2. Here we go, that's the second one. Now, as I was saying, now you have the adjustability. I hope you can see that, like this on the bottom one, and if you move it up here, top one. So this is how the windscreen moves up. Now if I put it back in like this is one level of adjustability, all being captured in one frame, hopefully. Yeah, so first level of adjustability, and this right here, second level. And you see how the front moves forward. Now again, look at the bottom as I move the top back in. So yeah, here we go, first, second, as simple as that. We're gonna find the rest of the nuts and put them back in now. And that was pretty much it. I hope you like this video, and please tell me if you need some more information on that. As for the next one, I'll be posting the video on servicing this, so well, please stay tuned. See ya, bye, ciao.